Today we're going to program retentive timers in the Sysmax Studio software with an Almiron PLC. Before we can program a timer, we must go to our global variables and make sure that we have a tag selected for our timers. So we have time ACC, and it is a time data type for our timers. So once we have a timer tag set, we will go back to the global variables. We'll go to our toolbox and we'll find our timer in our toolbox, and an accumulation timer is a retentive timer in the Almiron PLC. We'll click and drag and put that in our rung. We will make us a name for the timer. We're going to call this T2 for our timer. The PT was the preset value. It must be T, # 3 and seconds. So this will be a 3-second timer. The retentive timers, we must have a reset. In the Almiron PLC, the reset is part of the instruction. You do not need a separate rung for the reset. So we will double click on the variable and we will make it an HMI push button 2 will be our reset for our timer. So when HMI push button 1 is pressed, our timer will time out, and when our HMI push button 2 is pressed, it will reset our timer. We will enter our time accumulation in the ET, so we will be able to see the timer value. When the preset value equals the accumulated value, our internal bit will be on. So we must now transfer this to the PLC. We will go online, transfer to the controller, and hit execute. Once the program has been successfully transferred, we will hit OK. We will press HMI push button 1. We notice that the timer timed out, so not quite 1 second. We will push it again. It retains its value. Now we're at 1.9 seconds. We will continue to push the button and it retains its value. After we reach 3, the internal bit will come on. Then when we press HMI push button 2, it will reset our timer and it will go back to 0. That is how we program a retentive timer on the Almiron PLC.